What's up everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be doing a artist inspired challenge. So I chose a music artist. I chose Ariana Grande because she is like me. She is a lover of a good sassy wing on her eye. So I chose her to try and emulate in this makeup look, as you can tell. So before we get into this tutorial, you already know what you gotta do. Click that subscribe button, hit that bell getting the notifications when I post new videos, click that like button letting me know you're liking the stuff that I'm putting out, and then comment below telling me what you think about this look. Is it cute? Is it something that you could see yourself rocking at some point? So without wasting any more time, let's get into this cute little look right here. Alright, so I have already done my foundation, concealer, and brows off camera. So we can kind of get into this Ariana Grande inspired look. So one of the things that I really noticed about her is that she loves a good wing. Now, don't get it twisted, sister. I love me some wings. Wings are life. But she really loves a wing. And so, but she keeps everything else relatively neutral. So my palette of choice that I'll use for this is my BH Cosmetics Nouveau Neutrals palette. As you can see, it's a lot of like pinks and mauves and browns and everything. So I think I'm going to stay along these lines when it comes to this Ariana Grande inspired look. So I'm going to start off with again, just along the lines of keeping everything neutral. I think I'll go into this shade right here and start my transition. Okay, so now I've done my transition shade. Now I'm going to go into I think we'll kind of roll with like a pinky neutral. So I'm going to go into this shade right here and kind of intensify this transition. Okay, so Alright, let me bring y'all in a little bit so you can actually see what I'm doing. There we go. So now we're going to go into this shade right here and kind of deepen this up a little bit. I'll use a different brush though. I'll go with this brush. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with, there we go. I'm going to take my little smudger brush right here and take that same shade to deepen my crease and kind of go underneath a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna go off camera, put on some primer, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I put my primer on my lids, and so now we're going to actually go in on these lids and kind of make something happen. So I think I'm going to roll, I'll roll with this shade. Whoops, come on, there we go. That shade right there, I'm gonna put it all over my lid. Alright, let me go in and kind of edit a little bit. So go back into those first shades and kind of edit what I need to. Okay, so now I'm going to take my Morphe E36 brush right here, and then I'm going to go into this pale gold right here. Yeah, that pale gold right there, and kind of brighten up my inner corner. Alright, so now here is the fun part. So again, Ariana loves just a bold, fabulous wing. So I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. liquid eyeliner, and we about to wing this out. Let me clean all this up off camera and I'll be right back. Alright, so I finished my eyes, cleaned up my wings, and put on some lashes and mascara. So I got those big flirty eyes. So now we're going to start with kind of shaping the face a little bit. She doesn't do a lot of shaping, so I want to keep it minimal at best. So hold on, let me grab. Here we go. My BH Cosmetics contour palette. I'm going to go into, I'll go into this shade right here. Oops, there we go. deepen up this contour a little bit. Alright, so now I'm going to go back into that Nouveau Neutrals palette. I'm going to take, again, keeping it very neutral, nothing too crazy. I think I'll go in with that pink right there and put that on the apples of my cheeks. Alright, and then last but certainly not least, we're gonna go in. I think I'll use my new Maybelline Master Chrome right here. This is the Nikki Tutorials collaboration that she did with Maybelline for her Master Chrome. So it's like a nice pearlescent shade and sheen to it. Some people have asked already, is it similar to the Molten Gold? No. Shade wise, no. This is actually a lot lighter than Molten Gold. So here's Molten Gold, and here's that shade right next to it. So obviously it's a lot lighter. So I'm gonna go in with this shade. Take this brush and kind of highlight a little bit. Alright, there you go. Nothing too crazy. She doesn't do a lot of like in your face blinding highlights. So next we will go in, I think I'll go in with this one. This is the NYX Liquid Lingerie. Come on. There we go. We're going to go with the NYX Liquid Lingerie in the shade Beauty Mark. Alright guys, so hopefully you enjoyed this little Ariana Grande inspired style tutorial. I find that her makeup is very classic and kind of chic, but again, she loves, as you can see, she loves a good wing. So I made sure that I popped in that good wing in there. So if you like this look, let me know in the comments below and click that like button so that I can, who knows, this will be another series that I roll out on my channel. So again, this is in collaboration with the little beauty YouTuber group that I'm with. So once they start popping up their stuff, then you can go watch all of their artist inspired makeup looks. So until next time guys, deuces.